We must function as advisors. That is, we must be able to advise senior managers on long-term financing requirements to position our organization favorably for finance. We must be able to know what the banks request, what financiers request we need, and ensure that our organization always have them on grant as at when due. Also, we must be able to arrange maybe for the purchase of forex or purchase of foreign currency as usually we understand it and as our need requires, and arrange to sell forex and receive cash on behalf of our organization. So we must have a bit of knowledge of international trading, international foreign exchange and the like. It is important as a treasurer and as part of our treasury functions. Also, we must be able to protect our business. This we cannot overemphasize it. Many organizations are liquid, or if we are to say the fact, were liquid before, but because they could not manage cash risk, finance risk and the like, they went under. But as treasurers and as part of our treasury function, we must be able to protect our business, our organization against the risk of adverse movement in foreign exchange rates, foreign exchange environment. And when the business has receipts and payments or loan or investment, we must be able to manage it ahead of time. So we cannot afford to be still in our knowledge of what is going on in financial community. We must always be abreast of events so that we can position our organization. These are some of the treasury function that the treasurer must understand and preempt the organization ahead of time and reposition. If you are new here, I'd love you subscribe to GJAMES Associate channel, where we build the community of intelligent financial accountants together. Like, comment, share this video if you have enjoyed it on other platforms. It's allowed, you can share it so that we can equally reach out to people around you that may need this knowledge and spread the word abroad. Subscribe and click all as notifications so that anytime we upload, you will be able to be notified first hand. My name is Gbenga Olatunji FCA. For those that might have not known my name, GJAMES Associate channel is the platform.